Imagine a war, not against another nation but against flightless birds. This is no joke. Welcome to the Great Emu War of 1932. Australia, feeling the pinch of the Great Depression, faced an invasion of 20,000 emus. These birds, with an appetite as large as their 6-foot frames, decimated crops across Western Australia. What's the solution? Deploy the military, of course. Armed with machine guns, they waged war. Yet these formidable foes proved elusive, scattering in all directions at the sound of gunfire. After 6 weeks and 10,000 rounds of ammunition, the military withdrew, defeated. So, who won the Great Emu War? You decide. But one thing's for sure, never underestimate the power of nature, even if it's a flock of emus. Tune in next time for more fascinating tales from history.